burst that Frankie Mackay talked about. How's the timing? This time, over the top. No one there. And Bates picks up her first boundary. Oh, it's a lovely shot through the covers.
WBBL in Australia, and that's a shot. Has it got enough? Oh, taken! That is some kind of catch. Bowled it. Anderson upset the ball, but next in for the White Ferns. We'll talk about them. Oh no, walked across.
Thanks. And that's strong, but she hasn't got enough of it, has she? No, she's picked out the field.
Oh, taken, yes, taken, stumped, I think, in the end.
Thank you. Rolls down to the glove, inside the gloves.
Sean Haig had a look at this time straight up. Wide cover coming underneath it and taken nicely.
Pace on and slips it past the backward point fielder. That's going to race away. Clips it away on the leg side. And a much needed. That's quality piece of timing, that is.
From Devine. Just a couple of variations. That's gone high. Should be. Chance for Carson. Carson takes it. No mistake.
Clips it. Yes. And gone. There you go, the wicket that Maddie Green. Changing pace up and also the amount of overspin.
Down the ground, it's gone high, it's gone long. This should be it. It is 6.